And so then I thought maybe it's my fault global warming's happening. You know, I watched this video about a week ago, and ever since this horse has been following me around. What are your thoughts?
Is that the end of your story?
Yeah.
You can leave that. Remember to wash your hands.